Hi guys, welcome back today with a video. So this one's really special because if anyone knows either Daniel Arsham or the recent Pokemon collab that Daniel Arsham did with the company, the color of the box in the Pikachu is a light blue, and this box itself is pretty nice. Let me do a 360. Okay, and there's some information on the side, like the height, the weight, when it was excavated, when it was in circulation. It's pretty cool. The coordinates, the ID number, and the crew chief, which is Daniel Arsham. It's almost like the Pikachu stats. I mean, if you ever play Pokemon, you would understand what this is. And on the back, it's the signature Pokemon logo. And then on the other side, it's the Pokemon logo with Daniel Arsham. Arsham Studio. So, here's a 360 of the box. And a Pokeball. There we go. Which is really neat as well. And the bottom is his, oops, it's upside down. It's the logo of his. So that's these little crystal openings. So that's the crystallized feature that he's pretty well known for in his artwork. So if you follow him, you understand his artwork. So that's his style. So I'm going to put Pikachu down. Well, this is the light blue Pikachu. Sorry, just gotta be rich. It's the light blue Pikachu. There was only 500 made. And this cost, after taxes and everything, it was about $2,200, and then you still had to pay a custom fee because they shipped it out of China. This Pikachu, there was only 500 made, and this was shipped from China because that's where they were being produced. I mean, ignore that. There was only 500 of these made, so they're very exclusive and limited. And the resale on this is crazy right now. So this is the blue crystallized Pikachu, and it is made from a cast. So this is made from a cast resin, and so this is made from a light blue cast resin and an aluminum oxide. And like I said, it has those crystallized features, which I'm gonna do a close-up later, and the material it's made from. And it is about 33 centimeters, which is this does weigh about 11 pounds, which is, it's not that heavy, but this is a nice solid piece of statue. It's a nice solid piece of gold, if I must say. So those that grew up with Pokemon in their childhood, which was me, I used to be obsessed with Pokemon growing up. This is amazing. Like, but people now are paying probably double, if not more, for the resale price. So it can easily go up to like $4,000, $5,000. Details on this is immaculate.